Following this pass, Captain Plusinski will decelerate his aircraft by directing the nozzles full down and will deliberately overshoot his hover point in order to demonstrate the Harrier's capability to move backwards through the air. The AV-8B Harrier will use more than 23,000 pounds of thrust to hover in midair before you. By the use of conventional controls, the pilot can move his aircraft in any direction desired. This unique concept allows the Marine Corps AV-8B to operate from remote sites in close proximity to friendly forces, or on ships or carriers where only a minimum amount of landing space is available. As Pooch configures his aircraft for the vertical demonstration capabilities of the Harrier, we'd like to dedicate this show from Marine Attack Squadron 311 to all the armed forces serving around the world, soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines in harm's way. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready. Now, Captain Mike Plusinski demonstrating the hover capabilities of the AV-8B Harrier. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Captain Mike Plusinski and his AV-8B Harrier from Marine